This is Keshav. I am a Python trainer in PySpiders. One of our students, she got placed recently. She will share some experience.
Hello, my name is Rakshitha. I am from Chitradurga. I have completed my B.TECH in Computer Science Engineering from IIIT Dharwad. So, I joined PySpider in the month of Jan. Python was handled by Keshav sir. Manual was handled by Pradeep sir and Devijan sir. SQL was handled by Avinash sir. So, overall, it was like a good experience for me.
You opted for which course? Python for stack testing course. Okay. No.
About mock interviews and all, it helped me to go through all the topics and enhance my skills in coding also and in testing side also. So overall, it was like a good experience. It helped me a lot to enhance and upskills.
Okay. How many interviews you have attended so far?
I have attended one interview.
Okay. This is your first interview.
Yeah,
You cracked it.
yes.
Okay, nice. Congratulations, and I wish you all the best.